Trending on Procyon radio and television, I am Sarah Agbo. Thank you for joining us. On Trending today, I will just take a look at the trending headlines on Natasha and Akpabio. Call your wife to order. Respect national institution. Mayor AKPODORO to Natasha's husband. The mayor of Orobolan and former militant leader from the Niger Delta, Eshaneke, Israel, aka AKPODORO, has urged his friend and husband of Senator Natasha Akpabio, Chief Emmanuel Uduak, to immediately intervene and call his wife to order. AKPODORO emphasized that the ongoing confrontation between his wife and Senate President, Senator Godswill Akpabio, should be stopped before it escalates further, warning that it is becoming a mockery within Nigeria's socio-political space. Northern women warned against trusting Senator Natasha. Northern women under the aegis of Northern Women Integrity Forum have taken a swipe at Senator Natasha Akpabio, describing her as a serial blackmailer and fraud. Despite admitting Natasha's petition against Akpabio at plenary, Senate committee says it's dead on arrival. The Senate Committee on Ethics, Privileges, and Public Petitions has dismissed the petition bordering on alleged sexual harassment and abuse of office filed by the senator representing Kogi Central, Natasha Akpabio, against the Senate President Godswill Akpabio. The chairman of the committee, Senator Neda Imasuen, stated that Natasha's petition against Akpabio was dead on arrival over a technical flaw. Moving on, governor's aide brings snake to government house. APC reacts. The All Progressive Congress has suspended Kabir Sani Giants, special advisor to Governor Nasir Idris on power and politics, with immediate effects. A statement signed by the party's KB State Secretary, Saidu Muhammad Kimba, announced the suspension in Birnin Kebbi on Sunday. He announced that on 8 February, Mr. Sani Giants brought a snake to the government house, intimidating dignitaries, statesmen, and officials. Mr. Muhammad Kimba said that the conduct could embarrass and discredit APC. Nigerian bishop apologizes for conducting tongue-to-tongue anointing. 24 hours after defending his unconventional tongue-to-tongue anointing ritual, Bishop Alfred Lahuja Ogunushi of the Cherubim and Seraphim Unification Church has backtracked his stance. Thank you for watching us. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our YouTube channel, Procyon RTV. Trending on Procyon radio and television. I am Sarah Agbo. Keep shining like the star you are.